Hey guys, so just got this new miniature chainsaw here for like cutting branches, things like that, or whatever you may need. It's just a nice little handy tool to have whenever you don't want to bring out the big chainsaw necessarily. This is like a 6-inch blade that it comes with. It does come with a 4-inch blade as well that's interchangeable with it. This is the 18-volt battery pack on here with that. It comes with everything you need with this, as well as like the battery charger, and then the extra blade, and everything to change it into. This is that 4-inch blade that I was telling you about right here, so you can see the comparison with that. And the charger port with that. Comes with some tools to put it all together, and of course a user manual, which is always handy. Some other tools there. But basically you have your little locking mechanism right here, so you can push that in to lock it, so it won't actually be used at all. And then it has a little like protector guard on this side too that actually flexes up as you go through things, so you don't get your hands on top of here. And then yeah. Basically kind of show you how to use this here. I got a piece of wood here. Always keep your hands away from thing you're cutting on as much as possible. And then so we're just gonna go with this. Let's see. Yeah, that works real fast. So yeah, it's definitely a nice little tool, so see what you think for yourself.